All
Yeah,
the best. Yes, Manindra.
శాంతాకారం భుజగశయనం పద్మనాభం సురేశం విశ్వాకారం గగనసదృశ్యం మేఘవర్ణం శుభాంగం లక్ష్మీకాంతం కమలనయనం యోగిహృద్యానగమ్యం వందే విష్ణుం భవభయహరం సర్వలోకైకనాథం సరస్వతీ నమస్తుభ్యం వరదే కామరూపిణి విద్యారంభం కరిష్యామి సిద్ధిర్భవతు మే సదా పద్మపత్ర విశాలాక్షి సామాన్ పాతు సరస్వతి భగవతి భారతి పూర్ణేందు బింబాన.
So hello to everyone. We have one more volunteer who's joined us. One more coach, Gayatri. Can we see you? So Mani, you lead them with I am a champion. Yeah, Gayatri was here. All right. A very warm good afternoon to everyone. May I welcome our champion mentor of the day, Madam Lee Soy Im.
nice.
She's a great personality. She's with us today in spite of so many work. Plus, the best thing is, last week she got an award for being a great scientist in the making. She got US award of $300. It's a huge
That's
amount.
so good.
Yeah, that is superb. It is about waste, wealth from waste. This is really superb. It is more than the money, it is how she is guiding students, how she is leading students, and also making them love science. She's been a teacher for the last 35 years of chemistry. We are all afraid of chemistry, right?
True.
By the way, I got distinction in chemistry when I was a student. So maybe the chemistry between me and Madam worked. And Madam, we are extremely proud that we are part of your group. We are associated with you. And also, we are terribly inspired by this award of yours. மேடத்துக்கு ஒரு அவார்டு கிடைச்சிருக்கு. தட் இஸ் அபவுட் 25,000 US பணம் கிடைச்சிருக்கு. So that's a huge amount plus a lot of breakthrough in science. If ma'am, you can tell 2 words or 2 lines or 5 lines about your invention, students will also understand. Now we know that we are going to continue the main topic of last 2-3 times. What was the session's name? You are
What you eat.
what you eat. If you eat junk food, you are junk person. If you eat healthy food, you are a healthy person. So ma'am, without taking more time, may I request you to please host the whole proceedings and lead the young champions, please. Terima kasih Pak Puan.
Okay, selamat berjumpa. Okay,
You forgot? Many people have forgotten.
to meet all of you again, and I sincerely, I would like to present my thanks to Miss Joyty to have this such an amazing conference. I call it conference among the champion and the young champions, and I'm so happy. Today we got 20, including me. Last week I think we have less than 20, but suddenly today we got 20. I think later I will see a lot of nice presentation about food. Okay, so yeah. So before that, I would like to share something with you first. Okay, allow me to share my screen.
Mani sir has come. Good afternoon, Mani. Swami Saranam. Gayatri has come. They are all coaches.
Good afternoon. Just now I'm back from another meeting, so I'm not. I not yet got refreshed also. So that is the
Okay.
reason I don't want to.
Maybe after
come on
some
the-
time. Yeah.
Yeah. Because just now I'm entering the house.
Thank you, Mani.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Lisa. So glad that you are taking continuous classes, and thank you for your continuous support.
So nice.
Yeah.
Okay, so can I continue?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. So as you know, my name is Lisa Im from Malaysia. Okay, I'm actually a chemistry teacher, and got one day I met your Miss Madam Joyty first. Then until since that day, we have a very good collaboration and we have connection each other. So that's why we have come up this idea. Okay, so today is the I supposed to hear presentation from the young champions later. So, but before that, I request to share something with you first today. So, first of all, I would like to show you this. This is the one that I got. Okay, I actually plan a lesson, virtual lessons to my students, waste wealth, and then I send. It's actually accidentally. Then I saw this competition is about project-based learning. Then I submitted my project. Then recently only last week only I got to know I got the first place, first prize. Okay, a bit on mute. Okay, so here I would like to show this is not because I want to show off, just to share and to the young champions means that you just do the best. You just do your best. Okay, don't think about I do this because I want to get that. We just do our best. Okay, do what you love what you do. So like for example, I did this project recently. I didn't think about I want to go for competition, but at the end I got the first prize. Okay, God will know what you're doing. Okay, so secondly, now I would like to share with you. Today is our topic is about food, right? So I'm going to talk about not say talk. I just share about two festival. One is a Chinese one. It's called Dongzhi. Dongzhi is actually the winter solstice festivals. Okay. This is the one that this photo is from me. I did this at in my hometown. I went back hometown to visit my visited my mother-in-law and my family. So we did this. Okay. It's a this Dongzhi is like means that we are going to celebrate our new year very soon. Okay. So that's why we have this. And you see the tang yuan is actually made from rice flour, and you see it's a sphere is round. Means that we hope that every family member will together, yeah, family member and friend will be together. Okay, so this is the one that I make in my hometown with my family member. This handsome boy is my younger son. Okay, so this is before cooking. Okay, yeah. Oh, someone draw the screen. Okay, so here is the video I get from the Facebook. Yeah, it show you how to make this tamarind. Oh, I suddenly going to stop the screen. Okay, I'll show you again. Okay, super making. Okay, I think it could be better if the children you didn't draw the screen. Yeah, I appreciate that you don't draw the screen. Okay, okay, next occasion, next festival is just yesterday. We have the Christmas, right? Merry Christmas. So I'm actually not celebrate the Christmas. I'm Buddhist, but because of this occasion, I also have some delicious food. Yeah, you see, I have this. Okay, this is not my cooking. This is my husband bought back and we eat at home. Yeah, you see, I have chicken. This is turkey, and then french fries. I have vegetables. This is a mushroom and the tomato. I think quite balanced food, right? Remember last week we talked about the classes of food. So we have protein, we have carbohydrate, and also have vitamin and water as well. And okay, so you are what you eat. How nice if you can eat food that you plant it yourself. Okay, so I want to show you the photo. These are all the plant that I at my garden, my small garden. Okay, I got lemons, and then I got berries, and then these are the herbs and the vegetables that at my garden. Okay, that's all. This is last week's program. Yeah. So that's all for me. Thank you. Can't hear you, madam.
You have to unmute, ma'am, Jyoti.
Can you understand? She made this food in her house, all these plants, and then she's able to have it. So the importance of kitchen garden. And they celebrated winter solstice, that is the shortest day in the year, and the longest day is June 21st. So they are celebrating it, and Madam has explained to us how it is made. Madam, we make in Tamil Nadu what is called as chidai. I think Andhra also make it the same type out of rice. And we also do that small thing, and we
Yeah.
do it especially when we have Janmashtami, that is when Lord Krishna is born. So the food is the same, the culture is almost same. It's wonderful. So we start with our presentations.
Yeah.
Who's going to start? I think it is Jeel who came first. Yeah, Jeel, please start. By time I think I'll make the random name picker also. Yeah, Jeel, over to you. After which Shreya, be ready.
Yes.
Gayatri, you may write down the names.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, and then you can call out.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Never ask that question. You're always audible.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, so my name is Jeel Jadhav and I'm from India. I study in Rasbihar International School, Nasik. And today I'm here to speak on one of my favorite recipes, gas recipes. So first of all, before starting my presentation, I would like to say that baking and cooking is my passion and it's like one of my hobbies. And I'm always experimenting and making new recipes. And this recipe, which I'm about to share with you, is actually something I eat every day and I absolutely love it. So most of us are opting for food that can be prepared in a few minutes during rushed mornings or whenever you're feeling hungry. A healthy breakfast is important, especially because it's supposed to keep you energized till lunchtime. So I'll be sharing a recipe that will fulfill all of the above conditions. It is quick and easy to make, and it's a snack and it's a breakfast all in one. Believe me, after you eat this dish, you won't feel hungry for the next few hours. So my dish is called sprouts chaat, and it's a mixture of kidney beans, moong dal, black chana that are sprouted and tossed along with some diced paneer, onions, green chilies, tomatoes, and a host of spices such as red chili powder, chaat masala, and any other spices that will satisfy your taste buds. You can also alter this recipe according to your needs and however you like it. You can add some dahi on top, maybe some corn, capsicum, etc. etc. This is one of my favorite recipes and it can be prepared in minutes. And the only key here is the sprouts, which have to be done properly. Now you might ask, why do we need these sprouts? Well, let me tell you. So first of all, sprouting tends to enhance the nutritional value of grains, legumes or beans. These contain an anti-nutrients including citric acid which locks up the important minerals which makes it more beneficial than the unsprouted beans. Enzymes in sprouts break down the food effectively and enhance the absorption of nutrients by the dietary fiber which regulates our digestion. Sprouts help in boosting your blood circulation and they also have a very high vitamin C content that makes it a powerful stimulant for the white blood cells in the body to fight off infections and diseases, thus building. It has abundant vitamin A And vitamin A has a number of antioxidant properties that makes it a great source of immune system, which is also important during this pandemic, right? We have to remain immune to be able to fight the coronavirus. And also sprouts help to improve your eyesight. So these are all the benefits you can get just by eating a bowl of healthy nutrient packed dish. So hope you guys make my dish. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.
Excellent, excellent. Next, everybody can show a clapping. Yeah, next, who is it? I think it is Shreya.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hello everyone, I am Shreya and
We are waiting for you, Shreya.
I have to share my
Yeah, you want to share your screen? Go ahead. After you
so
finish speaking, mute yourself, please. Yeah, start, Shreya.
hello everyone. My name is Shreya and today I and my friend Anya are going to share our thoughts on you are what you eat. First of all, let us see.
Anya, can we see your video, please? Anya,
Yes, ma'am.
kindly start your video.
Ma'am, am I visible?
Not yet. Yeah, now you're visible. And champions always smile. Anya, yes, good.
So may I start?
Yes, please.
So hello everyone, I'm Anya and I'm from grade 9. So today I'm here to talk about what is healthy eating. So healthy eating is a pattern of eating that contributes to best possible health through positive relationships with food and diverse balanced food choices that meet a person's need for nutrients and energy. So, as you now know the meaning of healthy diet, so you may wonder what is the importance of healthy diet? So, a healthy diet is essential for good health and nutrition. It protects you against many chronic, uncommunicable diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Eating a variety of foods and consuming less salt, sugar, and saturated, industrially produced trans fats are essential for a healthy diet. So we have made a video regarding a healthy recipe and all the points we just said. So I'll share my screen and show you guys the video. I'm just coming.
Okay. No, no problem. Take your time.
Ma'am, I'm joining from another device. Can you
Okay.
just
Yeah,
add
I'll
it?
add. I'll add you. 1 minute. You have to mute one of them, huh? Otherwise this echo will come.
Are you able to see?
Yes, yes. We can see, yeah, but we can't hear you.
No, ma'am, there is no voice.
No audio.
It is
Okay, okay. So read it out.
So, a healthy diet is essential for good health and nutrition, and it protects you against many chronic diseases and such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. And eating a variety of consuming less salt, sugars, and saturated, industrially produced trans fats are very essential for a healthy diet.
In between, you can talk also. Make it communicative.
What should your daily diet consist of? Well, it should consist of protein, which is found in fish, meat, and poultry, fat, which is found in animal and dairy products, carbohydrates, which are found in fruit, vegetables, and other legumes, vitamins such as vitamin A, B, C, D, and K, and minerals such as calcium, potassium, and iron. So it should consist of water, which is included in both what you drink and what's naturally present in the food. So, as we know, there is an old saying, breakfast like a king, lunch like a prince, and dinner. Make the first meal of your day your biggest and only eat 3 meals per day. So, here is a healthy recipe for your breakfast, which is quick to make and very delicious. So, for it, take 1 cup moong dal and 2 tablespoons rice and soak it overnight. Transfer this into a mixer jar and add ginger, few curry leaves, and grind it until it becomes a smooth paste. Also, add salt as per taste and add a little water to it and mix it. And on a hot pan, pour the batter and cook it for 2 minutes. And your high protein filled breakfast is ready to be eaten. So, came from a plant, eat it. It was made in a plant, don't. By Michael Pollan. Thank you.
Make us repeat that. It's a very nice one. Came from a plant. Shreya?
Came,
Yeah.
came from a plant, eat it. Was made in a plant, don't. By Michael Pollan.
One more time. Make others repeat after you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Came
Speak.
from a plant.
You tell others to say after you.
Can you all please say after me?
Yeah. Champions, please repeat after the other champion. Shreya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Came from a plant.
Came from a plant,
From a plant.
Eat it.
eat it.
Was made in a plant.
Was
Was
made
made
in a
in a
plant.
plant,
Don't.
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 Excellent. Yeah. Next, who is ready?
Arya.
Arya is ready. Okay, good.
So, good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Arya Aditya Mahare, and today I am going to share a recipe of bhel. So, basically, bhel is originated from Mumbai, but today I am going to share the recipe in a healthy version. So, let's get started. So, first, I will introduce my ingredients. So, I have taken some mod seeds. If you want, even you can take kidney beans, which are full of protein. And I'm going to add some cabbage, which adds to roughage, some tomatoes, which contains vitamin A and vitamin K, some cucumber, some onion, and I'm going to add some salt, some red chili powder, and some lemon, and some chaat masala as per your taste. And then at last, I'm going to garnish it with coriander. So let's get started. First, I will add the chopped vegetables.
It's nice she's doing it really. It's very interesting.
Thank you, ma'am.
She always does something different.
Yes.
So I have added cucumber. Now I will add some tomatoes, which are rich in vitamin A and vitamin K. Now I will add some cabbage, which adds to roughage. As ma'am said, if we eat healthy food, we are healthy. So we should eat healthy food. And I think as we are growing teenagers, we should always eat healthy food. It will help us to grow better. Now, I will add some vinegar. Some onion for taste. Now I'm going to add some red chili powder for taste and flavor. You can make it hot and spicy. Some salt for taste.
Arya, your little one is helping you.
Yes, ma'am.
She's got a baby sister, I think. So the child
Yes,
is,
ma'am.
yeah. Where is mommy? Ask her to be there with you. No problem.
Yes, ma'am. Now I'm going to add some lemon for taste. I love lemon. Hello,
Okay.
everyone.
Hello, everyone.
Hi.
She's Gitanjali. She's a principal of a school.
Yeah.
And that's Arya.
Hi.
So the
Hello,
baby is
ma'am.
troubling. Good afternoon. The baby must
Yeah,
be
yeah.
troubling.
Start.
Yeah, carry on, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you.
Now I'm going to mix it well. It is a very easy recipe. You can make it in 2 minutes. And now I'm going to garnish it with some coriander. And you can see my sprout spread is ready. I hope you all enjoyed it and you can make it at home too. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, ma'am.
Superb. We are feeling mouth is watering
Yes.
Thank you,
because
ma'am.
of it's so yummy. Very tasty. Next, who is it? Thanks, Arya.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, it is yummy and healthy too.
It's very yummy.
Wait, can you hold the plate near to you so that you can take photo with
Okay,
you?
okay.
Delicious.
Food. Is it possible to show it a little like
Yes,
this?
ma'am. Why not?
Manideep will help us with the
Hold
photo.
near to your body.
Near to your body, to your wow. We are taking a spoon of it and eating. Oh, it's so yummy.
And smell it, right? Very delicious.
It's a very unique experience. Oh,
Thank you, ma'am.
but we are feeling sad we can't taste it. It was superb. Who is the next one, please?
Rizwana?
Rizwana. Rizwana, are you there? And by the way, champions, you'll be getting a nice certificate from Lisa ma'am. Our global champion mentor will give us a certificate. E-certificate you will get later on. You can take a printout of that. So form will be sent. Don't forget. Rizwana, irking lama. Start.
Yes, ma'am.
Start. Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Start.
I am champion Rizwana. I thank all for this opportunity, especially our global champion mentor, Iswaim madam. இன்னைக்கு என்னோட டாபிக் வந்து விட்டமின்ஸ் பத்தி. இப்போ விட்டமின் ஏல நம்ம பார்த்தோம்னா கேரட், எக்ஸ், சீஸ், ஃபிஷ், மேங்கோ, பப்பாயா, மீட், அவாகேடோ, ஸ்வீட் பொட்டேட்டோ, இந்த மாதிரி நிறைய ஃப்ரூட்ஸ் அண்ட் வெஜிடபிள்ஸ்லாம் விட்டமின் ஏல இருக்கு. இப்ப இதெல்லாம் நம்ம தினசரி உணவுல நம்ம எடுத்துக்கணும். இதெல்லாம் நம்ம சாப்பிடலன்னா நம்மளுக்கு நைட் பிளைண்ட்னஸ், அதாவது நைட் டைம்ல கண்ணு வந்து ரொம்ப டிம்மா தெரியும். ஸோ இந்த விட்டமின் ஏ இல்ல ஃப்ரூட்ஸ், இந்த ஃப்ரூட்ஸ் வெஜிடபிள்ஸ் எல்லாமே சாப்பிடலன்னா நம்மளுக்கு நைட் பிளைண்ட்னஸ்ன்றது ஒரு நோய் வரும். அதனால எல்லாருமே விட்டமின் டி கண்டிப்பா எடுத்துக்கணும். அடுத்து விட்டமின் டி பார்த்தோம்னா கேப்சிகம், ஸ்ட்ராபெரி, ஜிஞ்சர், ஹனி, ரோஸ் ஹிப், கிளவுஸ். இது எல்லாமே கிளவுஸ்னா வந்து லவங்கம். இது எல்லாமே விட்டமின் பிக்கான பொருட்கள். இதோட நிறையவே இருக்கு. ஆனா விட்டமின் பிக்கான பொருட்கள் இதெல்லாம் நம்ம டெய்லிக்கும் சாப்பிடணும். இந்த மாதிரி சாப்பிடலன்னா நம்மளுக்கு டயரியான்றது நோய், இல்லைன்னா ஹேர் லாஸ்னா முடி கொட்டுறது. இந்த மாதிரி நம்ம இந்த விட்டமின் பில இருக்க பொருட்கள்ல நம்ம சாப்பிடலன்னா நம்மளுக்கு முடி கொட்டும், அப்புறம் டயரியான்றது நோயும் வரும். இப்ப இந்த கிளவுஸ் பார்த்தோம்னா நம்ம அதிகமா நிறைய டிஷ்ல வந்து அம்மா சேர்ப்பாங்க. ஆனா நம்ம அதெல்லாம் தனியா எடுத்து வச்சுட்டு அந்த டிஷ்ஷை மட்டும்தான் சாப்பிடுவோம். ஆனா இனிமே நம்ம இந்த கிளவுஸ்ன்றதையும் சேர்த்து சாப்பிடணும். அடுத்து விட்டமின் சிக்கு பார்த்தோம்னா பொட்டேட்டோ, ஆரஞ்சு, ஆப்பிள், டொமேட்டோ, கிவி, ரெட் பெப்பர், ஸ்ட்ராபெரி. இந்த ஃப்ரூட்ஸ் அண்ட் வெஜிடபிள்ஸ் விட்டமின் சில இருக்கு. இதெல்லாம் நம்ம அதிகமா வந்து ஆப்பிள் அதிகமா எல்லாருக்குமே சாப்பிடுவோம். ஆனா டொமேட்டோன்றது ரைஸ்ல அம்மா போட்டாங்கன்னா அதை எடுத்து தனியா வச்சுட்டு ரைஸ் மட்டும்தான் சாப்பிடுவாங்க. ஆனா இனிமே அப்படி பண்ணக்கூடாது. டொமேட்டோவையும் சேர்த்து நம்மளோட ஹெல்த்துக்காக நம்ம சேர்த்து சாப்பிடணும். இந்த மாதிரி விட்டமின் சில இருக்க பொருட்களையும் நம்ம டெய்லிக்கும் சாப்பிடணும். இதை நம்ம சாப்பிடலன்னா ப்ளீடிங், அதாவது ரத்தம் ஓட்டம் கம்மியா இருக்கும். ரத்தம் அதிகமா வெளில வரதா இருக்கும். ஏதாவது நம்மளுக்கு ஒரு சின்ன அடிபட்டா கூட நிறைய ப்ளீடிங் ஆகும். அதனால இந்த விட்டமின் சி பொருட்களை சாப்பிடலன்னா நம்மளுக்கு ஒரு சின்ன அடிபட்டா கூட நிறைய பிளட் லாஸ் ஆகும். அடுத்து விட்டமின் டி. விட்டமின் பில வந்து செரல், ஹோல் மில்க், மஷ்ரூம், பட்டர், சீஸ், ஆயில், ஆரஞ்சு ஜூஸ். இதுல எல்லாத்துலயும் விட்டமின் டின்றது இருக்கும். ஆரஞ்சு ஜூஸ் வந்து எல்லாருக்குமே தெரியும். இப்ப டிவில அட்வர்டைஸ்மெண்ட்ல கூட ஆரஞ்சு ஜூஸ் வந்து சன்னுக்கு வந்து ஆரஞ்சு ஜூஸ் தான் நம்மளுக்கு. அதனால சன்ல வந்து விட்டமின் டி இருக்கு. சோ சன்னுக்கிட்டயும் நம்ம நின்று விட்டமின் டி எடுத்துக்கலாம். இல்லைன்னா இந்த மாதிரி ஃபுட்ல கூட நம்ம இந்த ஃபுட்ஸ் எல்லாம் சாப்பிட்டு கூட விட்டமின் டி நம்மளுக்கு வரும். இதெல்லாம் நம்மளுக்கு சாப்பிடலன்னா ரிக்கெட்ஸ்ன்றது ஒரு நோய். அந்த நோய் வந்து நம்மளுக்கு விட்டமின் டி சாப்பிடலன்னா இந்த ரிக்கெட்ஸ்ன்றது நோய் வரும். அடுத்து விட்டமின் இ. விட்டமின் இல பார்த்தோம்னா விட்டமின் இ வந்து சன்ஃப்ளவர் சீட்ஸ்ல, கிவில, பொமோகிரானட், மேங்கோ, அவகாடோ இந்த மாதிரி நிறைய ஃப்ரூட்ஸ் அண்ட் வெஜிடபிள்ஸ்ல எல்லாம் வந்து விட்டமின் இ இருக்கு. இது சாப்பிடலன்னா நம்மளுக்கு ப்ளீடிங் இன் த பிரெயின், நம்மளுக்கு மூளையில இருக்க ரத்தம்லாம் வெளில வரும். அதனால மூளை தான் நம்மளுக்கு உடம்புல இருக்க எல்லா ஆர்கன்ஸையும் கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ணுது. ஸோ பிரெயின்ல வந்து ப்ளீடிங் ஆகும். ஸோ அதனால விட்டமின் இ வந்து நம்ம கண்டிப்பா எடுத்துக்கணும் தினசரி உணவுல. அப்புறம் விட்டமின் கே பார்த்தோம்னா கேரட், ஆனியன், பனானா, சில்லி, பொமோகிரானட், சில்லி பவுடர். இதுல எல்லாத்துலயும் விட்டமின் கே இருக்கு. இப்ப சில்லி பவுடர்ன்றது பார்த்தோம்னா இப்ப ரைஸ்ல அம்மா போட்டாங்கன்னா எல்லாருமே சொல்லுவோம் காரமா இருக்கு அப்படின்வாங்க. ஆனா எதுக்கு இதெல்லாம் போடுறாங்களா, நம்மளுக்கு விட்டமின் கே கிடைக்கணுன்றதுக்காக தான் அந்த காலத்துல இருந்து சில்லி பவுடர்ன்றது எல்லா டிஷ்லயும் ஆட் பண்றாங்க. டொமேட்டோ இருக்கட்டும், சில்லி இருக்கட்டும், எல்லா டிஷ்லயும் சேர்ப்பாங்க. ஆனியன் முக்கியமா எல்லா டிஷ்லயும் சேர்ப்பாங்க. அண்ட் கேரட், பனானா இது எல்லாமே எல்லா டிஷ்லயும் சேர்க்கிற பொருள் தான். ஆனா பனானான்றது நம்ம பனானா அப்படியே சாப்பிடுவோம், எந்த டிஷ்லயும் சேர்க்க மாட்டாங்க. சோ இதெல்லாம் நம்ம கண்டிப்பா தினசரி உணவுல எடுத்துக்கணும். இது விட்டமின் கே கானது. இதை நம்ம சாப்பிடலன்னா நம்மளுக்கு பிரெயின்ல வந்து டேமேஜ் ஏற்படும். அதாவது கெர்னிக் ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் அப்படின்னா பிரெயின் டேமேஜ், ஒரு விதமான பிரெயின் டேமேஜ். இந்த விட்டமின் கேக்கான பொருட்களை நம்ம சாப்பிடலன்னா நம்மளுக்கு பிரெயின்ல பாதிப்பு ஏற்படும். தேங்க்யூ.
Paper பிடிச்சுக்கோ ரிஸ்வானா. Everyone, I would like to point out that Rizwana said some of them are very important, but we don't eat cloves, we don't eat tomato, but she says when mummy adds it, we remove it from the plate. So she says we have to eat all this if we have to be healthy. So excellent advice Rizwana. Rizwana இப்படி பிடிச்சுக்கோமா இந்த இதை, அப்போ கேமரா நல்லா வரும். Show your paper also like this. Keep your paper and your face. மூஞ்சியும் paper கிட்ட பக்காட்டு. Show it to the, yes, both. Take the paper in your hand. நான் இப்போ பிடிச்சிருக்கேன்ல அந்த மாதிரி காட்டு. Yes, I think she's done extremely well. Madam, your opinion? Superb, Rizwana.
Thank you.
Very scientific. Ma'am?
Oh yeah, it's very scientific and a lot of information. Is very informative.
Yeah.
And very good for all the young champions. So could you don't mind, you can hold your poster.
Yeah, keep your holder like this.
Yeah.
Keep, like this you keep. Rizwana.
Your photo together with
Keep the poster like this. Yes. You've done extremely well.
yeah.
Super. Very scientific.
Okay.
Thank you, champion. Next,
Wow.
which champion is
You have
yeah.
it. You might be can go further. You might be can build or can draw a pyramid, food pyramid.
Somebody else is doing that.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
What do we have to say in Malay? You remember, Rizwana? Thank you in Malay language.
Terima kasih.
Oh,
Yeah. Good.
terima kasih. Terima kasih, Puan. Puan means madam, guru.
Cikgu.
Sabas.
Cikgu.
Sabas.
Terima kasih, cikgu.
Yeah. Next. Excellent. Aditi.
Hello everyone, I am Aditi Singh and today I am going to share a very easy and quick to make recipe which is very preferable for the people like me who do not like to cook but like to eat, and you can have it for snacks. Usually people prefer eating pizza or burger for snacks and it's junk food, so it's not healthy for you. And before we start, I would show you how it looks. So this is what it looks like. It's Monaco topping. Right now I don't have the Monaco biscuit, so I'm using another one. You have to take a biscuit and with the help of a spoon, you have to apply tomato ketchup on it. Using a spoon will help you to maintain the hygiene. And then you can add the chopped tomatoes and chopped onions. And you can also add cheese if you want to. And you can garnish it with a coriander leaf. So that's it, and our snacks is ready.
Wonderful.
Actually, I don't like cooking. When I'm hungry, I really prefer to eat this. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Next, who is the champion? Gayatri. Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi, are you there? Hello? She is there. Can't hear Vaishnavi. Hello? சத்தம் வரல.
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். என் பெயர் வைஷ்ணவி. நான் 8ஆம் வகுப்பு படிக்கிறேன். ஊராட்சி ஒன்றிய நடுநிலை பள்ளி 1 முதல் 3 வரையில் பயின்று வருகிறேன். நான் இப்போ உணவு கும்பகத்தை பற்றி தான் சொல்ல போகிறேன். 1992ல் முதல்ல அமெரிக்க ஐக்கிய நாட்டு மேலாண்மை துறை தான் இந்த உணவு கும்பகத்தை வடிவமைச்சது.
கொஞ்சம் சத்தம் வேணுமா? சத்தமா சொல்லுமா?
அதுக்கப்புறம் அதை தொடர்ந்து பல நாட்டுக்காரங்க இந்த உணவு கும்பத்தை வடிவமைச்சிட்டு வந்தாங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் நம்ம சத்தா வாழ்வதற்கு ஒரு வழிகாட்டி தான் இந்த உணவு கும்பகம். முக்கோண வடிவில் உள்ள இந்த உணவு கும்பகம் நம்ம எவ்வளவு உணவை சாப்பிடணும்னு மிகவும் எளிமையா சொல்லும். கீழே அடிப்பரப்புல இருக்கிறத நம்ம அதிகமா உட்கொள்ள வேண்டும். அப்புறம் மேல செல்ல நம்ம குறைவா அதை எடுத்துக்கணும். இப்ப பருப்பு வகையெல்லாம் நம்ம நல்லா சாப்பிடணும். ஏன்னா அதுல மாப்பொருள்ல நிறையவே இருக்கு. அதுக்கப்புறம் நம்ம கீரை வகையில இரும்பு சத்துல நிறையவே இருக்கு. அதுவும் நம்ம நிறைய எடுத்துக்கொள்ளணும். அப்புறம் காய்கறிலாம் நம்ம சாப்பிட சொல்ல அதை ஒதுக்கி வச்சுட்டு சாப்பிடக்கூடாது. அதுல நம்மளுக்கு நிறையவே சத்து கிடைக்குது. தேங்க்யூ மேம்.
1 minute. She spoke about the food pyramid. Manideep, please show it. Vaishnavi, iruma. Yes.
Oh, okay.
She
Nice.
spoke about the food
Food
pyramid, and she said
Yeah.
we should be very careful about eating food, not wasting food, so that we are healthy. And she says this was way back introduced by America to the world. So that's a very good information for us. இந்த
Yes.
வருஷத்துலமா இன்ட்ரோடியூஸ் பண்ணாங்க அமெரிக்கா வைஷ்ணவி
எதுக்கும்
இந்த உணவு
1992 மேம்
in 1990
1992
okay 1992 and நீங்க இதெல்லாம் do you eat properly or you throw food வைஷ்ணவி do you eat properly ஒழுங்கா சாப்பிடுவியா நீ
எஸ் மேம்
okay ma'am any questions you want to ask her
Wonderful.
no wonderful
Yes.
great Vaishnavi
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you. Next, who is it? Manideep is.
Shall I stop sharing?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Next, who is it? Hello. I think Lokeshwari.
Lokeshwari.
Yeah. Lokeshwari, ready? Yeah? Yes, Lokeshwari, start. 1, 2, 3, start.
Oh.
Saptam, mute. Saptam, please. கேட்கலமா லோகேஸ்வரி
வந்து பேச போறேன் கேரட் பீட்ரூட் கரும்பு வந்து இனிப்பு காய்கறிகள் கசப்பு வந்து வெந்தயம் பாகற்காய் புளிப்பு வந்து தக்காளி மாங்காய் எலுமிச்சம் கசப்பு வந்து சிவப்பு மிளகாய் மஞ்சள் மிளகு உவர்ப்பு வந்து வாழைத்தண்டு முள்ளங்கி துவர்ப்பு வந்து நெல்லி வாழைக்காய் மாதுளை பழம் Thank you
Lokeshwari thank you ma so she spoke about the different
Thank you ma'am
Okay.
Carrot is sweet, tomato is sour, then bitter gourd is bitter. So different tastes, a different taste of the each vegetable she spoke. Thank you, Lokeshwari. Romba thanks. Next, who is it?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Wow, little boy.
Next. This boy is, yeah. Who is it, please? Next. Gayatri.
Pavitra, ma'am.
Acha, Pavitra.
Yes, ma'am.
Ready, ma? Pavitra.
Yes, ma'am.
எங்க?
இஞ்சில வந்து
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வணக்கம் சொல்லுமா எல்லாருக்கும்.
வணக்கம் எல்லாருக்கும். இப்ப வந்து நம்ம காய்கறிகள்ல என்னென்ன இருக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போறோம். இஞ்சி வந்து நம்ம செரிமானத்துக்காக உதவுகிறது. பூண்டு வந்து இதயத்துக்கு சிறந்தது. பேரிக்காய் வந்து கல்லீரலுக்கும் சிறந்தது. வெண்டைக்காய் வந்து எலும்புகளுக்கு நல்லது. தூக்கமின்மை வந்து நுரையீரலை பாதிக்கும். மன அழுத்தம் வந்து இதயம் மற்றும் மூளையை பாதிக்கும். பயம் வந்து சிறுநீரகத்தை பாதிக்கும். கவலை வந்து குடலை பாதிக்கிறது. இதெல்லாம் இல்லாம நம்ம நல்லபடியா இருக்கணும்னா நிறைய காய்கறிகளை எடுத்துக்கணும். விட்டமின்ஸ் நம்ம நிறைய சாப்பிடணும். புரோட்டீன் நியூட்ரியன்ஸ்லாம் நம்ம நிறைய பண்ணி தந்தா இதெல்லாம் இருக்காது. Thank you.
Thank you. She spoke about the different food which is good for digestion, insomnia, for health, then for asthma, everything. So she says have food so that you are strong and you don't suffer from any disease. Very good, Pavitra. And many children don't like to eat vegetables.
Yeah.
So she advises that you have to eat food that is lot of vegetables. Next.
Ayushi?
Ayushi is there? Yes, Ayushi, ready. Saranya, after that you are ready, huh?
Ma'am, ready, ma'am.
Okay. Here's Ayushi. She's a new champion. Huh? She's just recently joined.
Good morning, good afternoon to one and all. Myself Harshita K.
There's some sound disturbance. Others mute, please.
Let's see how to make a sandwich. So,
Wow, wow, wow.
this is green chutney, cheese, cucumber, potato, and tomato, some sandwich seasoning, and let's get started. So, first, let's take
Everyone mute yourself, please.
and apply it on the bread. Let's apply the topping.
Saranya, please mute.
First, take the cucumber. Cucumber, it's highly beneficial for nutrients.
Ayushi, be loud, can't hear you.
And plant compounds and antioxidants that may help even treat and prevent some diseases. So let's take potato. Potato is very rich in carbohydrates and fats. Next, tomato. Tomato is very rich in vitamin C and K. And next is cheese. Cheese is a great source of calcium, fat, and protein, and it also contains high amount of vitamin A and B12, along with zinc and phosphorus. So let's take some sandwich seasoning now, a pinch of it. And at last, let's take the ketchup. And let's close it with another slice of bread. Now let's cut it into 2 halves. And our sandwich is ready. Thank you.
Can we come into the camera? Let everybody see you, Ayushi. Madhumita, Vaishnavi, புரிஞ்சுதா அவங்க என்ன சொன்னாங்கன்னு? Ayushi என்ன பேசுனாங்கன்னு புரிஞ்சுதா?
புரிஞ்சுது மேம்.
You understood? Very good. Excellent, Ayushi.
Yeah, delicious. Yeah.
Delicious. We have to eat
your sandwich.
Now it is making us feel hungry.
Yeah.
Yeah. Next, who is it, please?
They're really creative and
very creative.
knowledgeable. So they
yes.
in all the food classes that I taught them last week. Yeah, that's great.
Yeah. Saranya is ready? Yes, Saranya. Now unmute. Start.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Ready?
My name is Saranya. நான் வந்து 8th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் படிக்கிறேன். பஞ்சாயத்து யூனியன் மிடில் ஸ்கூல் 1-3 வார்டு உத்திரமேரூர். நான் வந்து என்ன சொல்ல வந்திருக்கேன்னா, நம்ம வந்து நோயை வந்து கம்மிப்படுத்துறதுக்காக நிறைய புரோட்டீன் நிறைய செய்யணும், நடக்கணும், ஓடணும், சைக்கிள் ஓடணும், எல்லாமே பண்ணணும். அப்புறமா நெக்ஸ்ட் வந்து நம்ம வந்து நல்ல ஃபுட்லாம் சாப்பிடணும். பீட்ரூட் வந்து ரத்தத்துக்கு நல்லது, ரத்தத்தை இன்னும் நல்லா சுத்தப்படுத்தும். கேரட் வந்து பல்லு நல்லது, ஞாபக சக்தி கொடுக்கும். வெண்டைக்காய் வந்து நம்ம வந்து தசை வலி எதுனா எலும்பு வலி இருந்தா அதுக்கு இதுவா அமையும். அப்புறமா வந்து பால் வந்து அடிக்கடி குடிக்க கூடாது, மாசத்துக்கு ஒரு வாட்டி குடிக்கணும். நெக்ஸ்ட் வந்து மீன் வந்து அதிகமா சாப்பிடணும், தினிமேல் கழுவி சாப்பிடணும் மீன், ஃப்ரூட்ஸ் எல்லாம். ஃப்ரூட் வந்து ஃப்ரிட்ஜில் வந்து அதிக டைம் வைக்கக்கூடாது. அப்புறமா வந்து அதில் இருக்கிற தன்மை எல்லாமே இஸ்துக்கும், அதனால மீன் வந்து அதில் ஃப்ரிட்ஜிலலாம் வைக்கக்கூடாது. அதனால யாருமே மீன் அதிகமாக சாப்பிடுங்க, எல்லாருமே நிறைய மீன் சாப்பிடுங்க. அப்புறமா வந்து பால்லாம் அதிகமாக குடிக்காதீங்க. எக் வந்து மாசத்துக்கு 2 வாட்டி சாப்பிடுங்க. மீன் வந்து வாரத்துக்கு ஒரு நாள் சாப்பிடுங்க. மற்ற ஃப்ரூட்ஸ் எல்லாமே நீங்க இனிமேல் எடுத்துக்கணும். ஆனா தண்ணி வந்து 3 லிட்டர்லேருந்து 5 லிட்டர் வரைக்கும் குடிக்கணும். தண்ணி வந்து நிறைய குடிங்க. நல்லா எல்லாத்துக்குமே நல்லது. எல்லா உடம்புல இருக்க ப்ராப்ளமும் தீரும். அவ்வளோதான். தேங்க்யூ.
Thank you. Thank you, Charanya. She spoke about vitamin B12, carrot, which is good for health. And she says, eat healthy food. Don't keep fish in the fridge. Don't keep soup in the fridge for too many times. Like make the soup and have it fast. Again, don't keep fish in the fridge. Don't drink too much of milk. Have milk once a month, I suppose. But eat lots of fruits and drink 3 liters of water every day. Superb, doctor.
Yeah, that's right.
Excellent, excellent. Next time, try to
Thank
speak
you,
in
ma'am.
English, Charanya. Huh?
Okay, ma'am.
And
Okay.
I think she likes lot of fish, so she kept on saying, eat fish every time. Very good, Charanya. Next, who is
Thank
it?
you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma. Mute பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Next, who is it?
இளவரசி.
Yes, Ilavarasi. Ilavarasi means princess. எங்கம்மா princess இருக்கியாம்மா? Start.
I was just checking the meaning in Google.
Okay, Ilavarasi means princess. Start, Ilavarasi. Mike. Hello. Ilavarasi, Mike. Madam, they'll fill up this form, no?
Yeah. Ask them to.
Everyone has to fill up this form, don't forget. It is there in the chat box. Ilavarasi, start, ma. இது கேட்கல மைக்கை ஹெட்ஃபோன் ரிமூவ் பண்ணிட்டு திருப்பியும் பண்ணு. எஸ் இல்லை அது கொஞ்சம் லூஸாக இருக்கு போல இருக்கு. இல்லைம்மா மைக் எடுத்துட்டு பேச பரவாயில்ல. ஹலோ மைக் எடுத்து பேச. சரி மதுமிதாவை ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் நீங்க இன்னொருக்கா பேசலாம். மதுமிதா.
ஹலோ மேம்.
ஆமா
கேக்குதா மேம்?
நல்லா கேக்குதுமா.
I am S. Madhumita from Tamil Nadu state. நான் இப்போ முருங்கை இலையை பத்தி சொல்ல போறேன். முருங்கை இலையில
பக்கத்துல முருங்கை இலை
இருக்கு
இருக்கா?
மேம்.
காட்டுமா ப்ளீஸ். ரொம்ப நல்லது.
முருங்கை இலை
காட்டு எல்லாருக்கும் ரொம்ப நல்லது. She is going to speak about moringa leaves, drumstick leaves.
Drumstick leaf.
It's very good in for the health, for iron. Women who suffer from anemia are given these leaves. It's a very important diet aspect in our food. Katma. அதுக்குள்ள இளவரசி ரெடியாரு. Can you see this? Super.
Drumstick leaves.
These are drumstick leaves.
அந்த இது வரும்.
நல்ல காட்டு.
அம்மா அந்த ஃபுட் அத ஃபுட் மாதிரியே செஞ்சு சாப்பிடலாமே. 1 minute please.
Okay. நாங்க சாப்பிடுவோமா? This is a green leafy vegetable which we make a dish out of that.
முருங்கை இலையில எல்லாமே நமக்கு யூஸ். மிஸ் பூ, அந்த ட்ரம்ஸ்டிக், அந்த லீஃப் எல்லாமே நமக்கு யூஸ். அந்த பட்டாணி எல்லாமே நமக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கு. காய்
பேய் அடிக்கிறதுக்கும் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட்.
முருங்கை இலையில நிறைய சத்துலாம் இருக்கு மிஸ்.
அயர்ன் இருக்கு.
முருங்கை இலை நமக்கு ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கு. முருங்கை இலையில பொட்டாசியம், சோடியம், கால்சியம், காப்பர், ஜிங்க், மேக்னீசியம், வைட்டமின், அதெல்லாம் வைட்டமின் ஏ மிஸ். வைட்டமின் பி ல காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் இருக்கு மிஸ். வைட்டமின் சி ல புரோட்டீன், கொழுப்புலாம் இருக்கு மிஸ்.
So do you like
சர்க்கரை
it?
நோயெல்லாம் முருங்கை இலையில சர்க்கரை நோயெல்லாம் குறையுது மிஸ். தேங்க்யூ.
Thank you. She spoke about the green leaves. Inorka katma leaves. Huh? This
you
can,
hope
it has lot of iron content in that. Yes.
leaf and your
And the இது காட்டுமா கறி பண்ணிருக்காங்களா சப்ஜி காய் பண்ணிருக்காங்களா அதுவும் காட்டு
ஸ்பூன்
பாத்திரத்தோடே காட்டு பரவாயில்ல. I suppose Gayatri you're taking a picture also. நல்லா தெரியும். ஓ மூஞ்சியும் தெரியட்டும். மேடம் உங்க போட்டோ எடுக்கிறாங்க. Yes. அரே வா. Yeah. And it is believed that ghosts live on these trees. And also there are a lot of caterpillars which live on these leaves. And it's very tasty. We make dosa out of this. We make broth out of this. We make stew also out of that. It's an excellent food. And pregnant women are given this every day. For anemia, lack of iron, they are given this every day. All girls should be eating this.
Yeah, so it could be better we take this kind of food from vegetables rather than we take the medicines so that we don't have so much of side effect.
Especially girls should eat lot of iron. If you can't eat dates, you should eat this.
Thank you for sharing.
Thank you, Madhumita.
Thank you, ma'am.
ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். Next, who is it ready?
இளவரசி
Okay, இளவரசி. இளவரசி, start ma. எங்கிருந்து சத்தம் வருது? Somebody is
Ma'am, echo is happening.
yeah, I have done everybody. Yes. Ilavarsi, please start again.
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். என் பேர் வி இளவரசி. நான் வந்து பஞ்சாயத்து யூனியன் மிடில் ஸ்கூல்ல வந்து படிக்கிறேன். 8ஆம் வகுப்பு படிக்கிறேன். நம்ம வந்து காய்கறிலாம் நிறைய சேர்த்துக்கணும். காய்கறியில தான் நம்மளுக்கு வந்து ரத்தம்லாம் கிடைக்குது. அதனால நம்ம காய்கறி, கீரை, பழம், பால், மீன் அதெல்லாம் நிறைய சேர்த்துக்கணும். சாப்பாடுல காய்கறி போட்டாங்கன்னா ஒதுக்க கூடாது, அதையெல்லாம் சாப்பிடணும். அதனால தான் நம்மளுக்கு விட்டமின் ஏல வந்து கேரட் இதெல்லாம் நிறைய எடுத்துக்கணும், எடுக்காம விடக்கூடாது. அதனால தான் நம்மளுக்கு உடம்புக்கு நல்லது. அதெல்லாம் சாப்பிட்டா மீதி கடையில விற்கிற பொருள் எதுவும் சாப்பிடக்கூடாது. நம்ம வந்து காய்கறி மட்டும், கீரை, காய்கறி இது மாதிரி அம்மாங்களை செஞ்சு தர சொல்லி சாப்பிடணும். கீரைலாம் சாப்பிடணும். நல்லா எல்லா கீரையும் சாப்பிடணும். ஹெல்த்தி ஃபுட்டா சாப்பிடணும். தேங்க்யூம்மா.
Thank you. So one nice thing she said, tell mother to cook healthy food. That's a very nice thing. And she says, we will not eat junk food. Great. Thank you, ma. Next, who is left out? Who?
Akshaya.
Akshaya.
Last
one. Okay.
Yes.
வணக்கம் மேம்.
எங்க மணி?
வணக்கம், என் பெயர் மு அக்ஷபிரியா. நான் வந்து 8ஆம் வகுப்பு படிக்கிறேன். ஊராட்சி ஒன்றிய நடுநிலை பள்ளி 1 to 3 உத்திரமேரலில் படிக்கிறேன். இப்ப நம்ம வந்து காய்கறியில என்ன நண்பன் இருக்குன்னு நம்ம பார்க்க போறோம். வால்நட் வந்து மூளைக்கு நல்லதுங்க. வெங்காயம் வந்து செல்களுக்கு நல்லது. கொத்தமல்லி முடிகளுக்கு நல்லது. பாதாம் கண்ணிற்கு நல்லது. இஞ்சி செரிமானத்திற்கு நல்லது. பூண்டு இதயத்திற்கு நல்லது. வெண்டைக்காய் எலும்புகளுக்கு நல்லது. நம்ம காய்கறிலாம் சாப்பிட்டாலும் சொல்லிட்டே இருக்கும். தேங்க்யூ.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your sharing.
Akshay, I missed yours. I guess she also said that we have to eat properly. I've also made mine. Okay, I'll just speak about this. This contains Nutri-Nuggets, which is of soya. And this is potato. which gives lot of carbohydrates, carrots for our eyes, and then we have onions, and this was the main thing which we had today. Very simple to make. Cut them, slightly salt them, and put garam masala. In India, we have lot of masalas. So this is it. Very simple to make. And this was marinated soya nuggets. So if you have cottage cheese also we add. This is very healthy, very quick to make, no cooking.
Yeah.
So I think it was excellent day today.
We got how many presenters just
Yeah.
now?
How many presenters?
12.
I'll present. 12 had come.
Yeah, including you, it's 13, ma'am.
Okay, 2 more are there. Mani, you can show that video. 2 children have not come. 3 have said that they'll send the video because their net is not working.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So we have our 18 to 20. 5 more are supposed to send. Yes, Manipur. 2 children are out, but they have made their video. Ananya was okay, no problem. Yes, start.
Today we are making banana shake. We need 2 bananas, 1 spoon of sugar, half spoon of rose syrup, 1 bowl of milk. We will peel the banana. We will chop the banana in the fine pieces. Put the banana in a bowl. Now we will put sugar into it. Then we will mix it till it becomes a paste. It has become a paste. Now we will pour it into it.
She's asking her mother, should I put it into it?
Now we will mix it and we will pour rose syrup.
Rose syrup.
Now we will decorate with banana pieces. Now it's delicious banana shake is ready. Enjoy it. Thank you.
Please don't write anything. Very good, excellent. Manini, the other one also. Her twin has given the other one. Yes, one more. Oh, everybody is given a heart.
My name is Meer Govind. I study in first standard. Today we are making a chilled, a simple, a healthy. Today we are making a chilled, a simple, a healthy apple shake. We need 1 apple, 1 spoon of sugar, little vanilla and milk. First we have to peel the apple and shred it. Our apple is now shredded. Now we have to add sugar. And then we have to mix. Now we have to mix it in milk. Now we have to mix. It is done.
It's done.
Now we have to add little vanilla. Mix it well. Now we have to pour it in the glass.
Wow.
Now we will decorate with a apple. Enjoy apple shake, apple chilled shake. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you for the screen share. So I think Gayatri, everybody has finished. Hello. Shreya says
Yes, ma'am.
Anya was left in between. Yes, Anya?
Ma'am, we have one more video, so
Yeah,
can we
please.
present it?
Yeah, please show. Please show.
Oh.
Yeah. Mani sir, are you there? Mani?
Ma'am, may I start presenting?
Yeah, please start.
So hello everyone, today I am Shreya here to share a recipe for high protein breakfast, and it is very easy for making, and it is also very quick to make, and it is especially for the people who like to eat but don't have time to make it, and also they just love to eat healthy. So let us begin.
The ingredients are 1 cup chickpeas, half cup raw rice, 1 teaspoon fenugreek seeds, water, salt, and ghee or clarified butter.
Do you have chickpeas with you?
Yes,
Anya,
ma'am.
you have chickpeas with you to show them?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay.
I am not having it.
Okay.
So it is very easy to prepare this recipe. So we have to just take 1 cup of chickpeas and we have to add water to it. Then we have to soak it for 6 hours. So it will take a long time to soak it. Then we have to just add half cup of raw rice and add fenugreek seeds and water to it. Then we have to mix Then we have to mix it and soak this again for 6 hours. Now again after 6 hours we have to remove those soaked rice and chickpeas, and in a mixer jar we have to grind it again until it becomes a smooth paste. Then we have to ferment that batter for 6 hours, means you have to leave it in the open air, or you can also leave it in the sun to dry. After it gets fermented, we have to add a little salt for taste, and then we have to take a hot pan and pour that batter into it, and we have to cook that batter for 2 minutes. At last, we will add ghee or butter according to our taste.
Now your high protein breakfast is ready to be eaten.
So thank
I'm
you
sure
very
you all
much.
will try it at home, and it's very easy to prepare and it's
Yeah.
very delicious.
Excellent, excellent. Anybody else is there? So I think we come to the end of today's session, and then we will be meeting next year in 2021. Correct? So ma'am, I thank you very much for coming with us, being with our champions. Some of them are from rural India, and everybody had put up their best today. We thank you for your guidance. Can we all have your video so we take a nice picture, one full picture? Mani, are you there? Mani?
Yes, I am here.
So let's close the today's session with your words. Yes, ma'am. You're saying something? 1 minute. Ma'am is saying something.
I can email them the certificates.
Okay,
Enter
okay.
participants.
Mani, I think they did well. Very, all of them.
Yes.
It was
I'm
super.
really proud of all our
Impressed,
champions.
huh?
Really. So from
I'm
today
very
onwards, we
happy.
started this ring claps. This is the ring clap.
Okay, today
From
like
the
this.
yoga and exercise, we started with this. We do the dance also. We do the dance. Early morning, they do this aerobics, yoga, and exercise, right? So whoever did it well, they do some dance movement and they give the claps.
Okay,
like
this way.
and reverse.
Everybody leave your videos on,
So
and then Mani sir will sing the bye-bye song till we meet next year.
Good to see.
All videos on, please, because we want one picture.
Yeah.
Ayushi, how did you enjoy?
You can say.
Ayushi?
We will show our symbol.
Okay.
Yes.
And yeah, I have put it.
Okay.
Arya, please video on so that we take one picture,
We'll show
please,
so
fast.
that our face.
Otherwise, you'll miss. Logeshwari, fast, ma. Everybody with your heart. Who is taking? Manideep is taking? Yeah, you're taking a picture?
The screenshot. Can someone take the screenshot?
Yeah. 1 minute. My heart is gone. 1 minute. My heart is going.
Even I have to take this in my heart.
Okay, I'll take it.
Yeah. Okay.
1 minute. It's happened. One more. Just a minute.
The delicious food, your sandwiches and your home mixed vegetables. Yeah, I like it so much.
Just a minute. I'm taking a picture. Yeah. Oh my God. The heart is. Yeah.
Yeah, I took a screenshot, ma'am, but
You have taken?
not all the hearts are up.
No, we'll add the hearts. We will add it. We can manage. So this is done. And we want to thank everyone. Mani, with our bye-bye song.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'll say, first of all, thanks. We learn thanks how to say in claps.
Yes.
1, 2.
Thank
you. 1, 2. Thank from the heart. Thank you. 1, 2. And both the hands open. Thank you.
Thank you.
1, 2. Thank you.
Thank you.
So
thank you very much,
all.
everyone. It was wonderful.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great and satisfied year, and let's enter a new year with new hopes, new thoughts. Let us rock the year.
Yes, let's rock the year. Manideep, one more screenshot you can do. We'll put our hearts back. Mani, put your heart. Yes.
Okay.
Ready?
You can show our championship symbol.
Yes.
Champions. I'm a champion.
I'm a champion. Our heart will also go in between.
Yeah, we are all champions.
Ayushi, please smile. Yeah, done.
Super friends. We'll come up with the new songs, new
New
things.
everything.
We will rock.
Yes, thanks, madam.
We
Thank
can
you very
work on
much.
more. Yeah.
Thank you, madam. Everyone say Terima, Terima kasih Puan to madam.
Terima kasih, madam.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih, ma'am. Thank you, madam.
Thank
you, madam. Thank you, ma'am.
Again.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you in BM.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih, madam.
Terima kasih. Terima kasih, Puan.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. It's
Lovely.
a great honor to join.
Thank you, ma'am.
And
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, we love you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.